So here we have the Ford Tornado Custom 9-seater minibus on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the cargo area, and then we'll work through some controls on the inside from there. So as we approach the back of it, you can see we have reversing sensors, loads of cargo space as well. Just before we run through some controls, I'll show you the seating area. There you go, as you can see, you have 6 seats in the rear, as well as 3 in the front, and you have sliding doors on both sides of this vehicle. Okay, now that we're inside the minibus, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And above that, you can see we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed in that central section by using buttons on the steering wheel. Also in that section are the total miles for this car, which are 5,948. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons that change that information are just over here. We have stereo controls beneath that. They continue over on the left-hand side. And above that, we have cruise control with speed limiter. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen. So this is where you can add a device to your phone, for example.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then just follow the instructions on screen from there. We've also got your music option, so AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. This car also has a USB input. If you plug a device into that, it will appear up on here as another option for you. And up in the top corner there, we have a compass as well. Below that, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have the air conditioning, so you can select the temperature, the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be diverted once it enters the vehicle. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in here. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over here. We have a heated driver's seat and passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. And then this button will turn the heated front screen on and off again. We have a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input I mentioned a moment ago, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.